اللهم صل على محمد. اللهم صل عليه. Peace be upon you, Ya Rasulallah. Every heartbeat calls your name, Muhammad. When the world is lost in night, you became the guiding light. Every mercy, every grace shines through your blessed embrace. Every word you thought is true, every dream begins with you. You showed the world the path to peace, a love that never fades or leaves. Every prayer, every sigh lifts my soul to you on high. Every heartbeat softly says your blessed name through all my days. Ya Nabi, salam alayka. Ya Rasul, salam alayka. Ya Habib, salam alayka. Salawatullah alayka. My heart belongs to you, forever I'll be true. With every breath I pray to follow in your way. When my road is hard to see, your sunnah shines the way for me. Through every storm, through every tide, your mercy is my constant guide. Teach my heart to always care, fill my soul with every prayer. Let my life forever be a mirror of humanity. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. Allahumma barik alayhi. One day let my eyes behold Medina's beauty bright as gold. With tears of love and thankful heart, never let me stay apart. Ya Nabi, salam alayka. Ya Rasul, salam alayka. Ya Habib, salam alayka. Salawatullah alayka. You are mercy, you are light, leading hearts from dark to bright. Till my final breath I'll say, guide my soul upon your way. My heart belongs to you, forever I'll be true. Ya Rasulallah, my love remains with you.